it's me, Sonic, and today we are going to be playing some Granny Chapter 2. Alright, Sonic, I'm just going to, where are we going again, Grandpa? To our date! To our date for maybe 160 days? By the time I get back, you better not Skype. Chili dogs. Alright, see ya! Yeah, Granny's gone. Now I can finally escape the house. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Blah, 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 blah. Day 1. In Granny's house. All alone. Actually, not all alone. Because I have the little baby and my favorite sweet, sexy piano. Oh, sorry. Alright, here we go. Alright, I never checked down here before, did I? I don't remember checking down here. Oh, what's that? I'm getting the heck out of here. Hoof. Man, I wonder if Granny can get trapped in this. Wow. Alright, let's see what happened. Nope, nothing over here. Alright, let's check the upstairs. I want to exit out the front door. I never did that before. Alright, there's food in the fridge. La. And I've always wondered what is inside of here, so let's check. Ooh, I need a weapon key, okay? We're getting somewhere. Alright, now what? Anything in here? Toothpaste? A helicopter? There's a helicopter? I changed my mind. I want to do the helicopter. Where's the freaking helicopter? Where is this stupid helicopter? Where? Is it in the clock? Nope. Is it in the drawer? Nope. Wow, looks like the door lock swapped places. It's no longer in the clock. Alright, what's in this room? I never checked the closet before. Oh, spark plug. I think that's for the boat. Yeah, that's for the boat. Alright, what else can we find around here? Anything upstairs? Cutting pliers! I didn't need that. Boat key. Yeah, that's for the boat. I can tell because it's called a boat key. Is there anything in the drawer? There's meat. But I'm not hungry for meat. Right now, I'm hungry for a song. Alright, nothing in there. Is there anything in here? Nope. What's this lever? What's this for, though? Security key. So that's what this is for. And we'll also need the cutting pliers. I know where the cutting pliers are. They're right here. What do we have to use these for? Okay, now what? Is there anything in the Among Us fence? Let's check the Among Us fence. Gasoline? Yeah, we'll probably have to use that for the helicopter too. Yeet! Piece of a picture. That looks important. But doofy at the same time. Weapon key! I have to use this. So that I can shoot. Oh, wait, I forgot. They're not here. But I don't want to shoot babies. It's not my favorite thing to fight little babies. Or shotgun? ammo. Ammo? We got double ammo. I actually want to check the security room and check the fast cameras to see where we are. Yeah. Let's go. Check the cameras, actually. Huh? Oh. What's that noise? Boat steering wheel. Something is blocking this door from the other side. Ah, come on! Ooh, a case. Is there anything in it? Grenade! Hand grenades! I want to test this out on the... Oh yeah, I forgot. It's not my favorite thing to fight babies. Is there anything else? Duct tape? It looks like this will be needed for a helicopter. Oh! Something is missing here. I think that's for the pictures. Yeah, right? I think that's for the pictures. Dun, dun, dun. Mario reference. Later. Alright, I finally got all the pieces. Now it's time to put them all together. Boop, doop, doop. Now this is gonna open. Yes, it's open. Finally. Looks like we'll need the shotgun for this. Later. Alright, I got it. Time to shoot. Oh, dang it. Yeah. Yeehaw! Yes. Shoot it at the ball. Yes! Yes! No! The bullets disappeared. Okay. Yes! No! Miss. No! Refill. Yes! Yes! No! My ammo! Yes. Yes! We did it! And now we need some glass fuse there. Some sort of glass fuse. I don't know what the glass fuse is. I'm a hedgehog. I don't know what it is. I'll just leave my stuff there until I find the glass fuse. Wonder if it's in there. I think I'll need the cutting pliers. Where is it? Where's the stupid cutting pliers? I remember it be... Oh, there it is. I wonder what's in there, though. Probably some exciting... I'm not gonna talk about it. Okay, let's just already see who's in there. Okay. Yes. I can't see. Who is this? Oh God, he looks terrifying when he disappears. I don't know what that was, and we got the padlock key. So, something is going on here. Whee! Alright, I got the glass fuse, so I would be able to do it. Yes? Hooray! Huh? Oh my God, look at you. You're so beautiful. Huh? There's a door over here. Oh, so that was the door who was blocking it. Silly door. Anyways, time to kill the vampire. Run, run! It's gonna explode! I just love how it explodes. right in my face. Alright, now I gotta get the gasoline can and the helicopter key, and where the heck's the duct tape? The duct tape. Where's the duct tape? Quack! Like the ducky tape. I got the key now. I basically need to find the duct tape. I remember it being somewheres. In the room? No, the cutting pliers and the little screwdriver things there. Or padlock key, I should say. I think there it is! Alright, what do we use it for? The broken ear? Yeah, we do. But what about the gas? Gas! Alright, enough with the weirdness. Let's go! I'm sorry for sounding like Mickey. Fuel! Yes, drink up like Pac-Man. Pac-Man. Drink up like Pac-Man. There we go, now we yeet it off the Quran. And now we fly! Yes! We're doing this! This is the first time we ever escaped in our lives in Granny Chapter 2! So first I'll do the real ending, and then I'll do the funny ending. Yes! We're going patrol free! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, baby! I'm escaping! The end! Okay, now it's time to do the alternative ending! Alright, it's time for me to fly! Hey! I told you not to escape! Shh! Too late, I'm already escaping now! Would you man, but they the play, Hey, this is not the end. This is until Granny 3. Okay, now if you're listening to this, dear viewer, you're gonna